If you're uploading YouTube shorts and they're constantly getting 0 views, or they flatline immediately, then this video is for you. This has nothing to do with your hooks, editing, or niche. It's just a few things you need to fix on your channel. In this video, I'm going to break down what 0 view jail actually is, why YouTube flags new accounts as spam, the mistakes that keep people stuck for weeks or months, and lastly, the exact process I use to age accounts fast and break past 0 view jail. This is the same system I've used to get accounts monetized under 30 days, and the same process I run every student through inside my inner circle. If you follow this video properly, it will fix the 0 view jail. But most people rush it, skip steps, or just guess. And that's why they stay stuck. So watch this video all the way through, because skipping one step can set back monetization by months. First, let's talk about what 0 view jail actually is. 0 view jail is when YouTube doesn't push out your shorts at all. So for example, here's an account that I ran over a year ago and I had no clue what I was doing. And I would just upload shorts hoping something would kick off, but nothing ended up being pushed. And what happens is 0 view jail is when YouTube doesn't push your shorts to the shorts feed at all. This usually happens on brand new accounts or accounts that haven't been used in a long time. The main reason YouTube doesn't push shorts, especially to new channels, it's because YouTube flags the account under suspicious or spam. So this is simplified. YouTube basically thinks you're a bot and they won't push out your videos to anyone at all. And a lot of people find this super frustrating, and this is why a lot of beginners quit even before they get their first push in any of their shorts. And every day you stay stuck here. You're missing out on hundreds or even thousands of dollars you could be earning. People who started after you are already making money, not because they're better at YouTube shorts, but because their account is trusted. This is the stage where people either fix it fast and start printing, or waste months being stuck at 0 view jail. What I actually help my students with is how to age accounts extremely fast, so we can break past 0 view jail as soon as possible, because they know the faster they break past this ceiling, the faster they get monetized. Now let's talk about why 0 view jail actually happens. One of the main reasons it could be happening is, like I said earlier, you have a brand new channel and you have no usage history. Like for example, this is a brand new account I just made. If I started posting on here, it's like 99% chance that my videos are gonna get 0 view jailed and I'm not gonna get pushed. Also, another reason it could be getting view jailed is you just made a new Gmail account. So what you can do to avoid this is create a new account on an old Gmail. And as you can see over here, I have a lot of shorts channels that are under the same Gmail. And if you're wondering how you make more channels under the same Gmail, let me show you. First, you're going to go to the accounts section and you're going to click view all channels. If you don't have this button, just go back to your actual settings, click on settings over here, and then click on add or manage channels. Then you're going to be brought to this section over here. All you're going to need to do is create a new channel, and this will create a channel on your email that is already aged. Another reason you are getting 0 view jailed is because you have no usage history on your account. Some people just make an account and they go straight to posting, but that's entirely wrong. You actually have to watch videos and act like a real human being. If you have no watch history or no likes or no subscribe to other accounts, then YouTube is literally going to think you're a bot. And the last reason why you could be getting 0 view jailed is you post and you ghost. So what is post and ghost? Post and ghosting is when you post a video and then you just get off the app. But that's not right. YouTube rewards the people who are actually actively using their app because they want people to be on their website and actually generating them income. The whole point of YouTube is to keep the viewer on their app so that they can be printing more and more money. So after you post a video, you're going to still want to go watch some YouTube shorts, like the videos, watch some random videos, and subscribe and comment to people. I know a lot of this sounds really dumb, but I tell this to people all the time. You actually need to use the account that you're posting on. If you're not watching any videos or engaging with any content, then your videos are going to get jailed. People are like, oh, I'm just going to watch for 10 minutes a day and that's going to fix my issue. No, it's not. You're going to have to watch for hours a day for at least 3 to 4 days and repeat this process a few times. And then you'll actually have a chance out of breaking out of 0 view jail. Some mistakes people think that will actually break them out of 0 view jail is re-uploading your content. Re-uploading your content that already got 0 view jail jailed won't work. It's not the content that's the problem. It's your account. And you need to fix that first. Some people think, oh, if I took someone else's video that has millions of views and reposted it on my account, I'm actually gonna get a couple thousand views, because if their video was able to get a couple million views, why can't mine get a couple thousand? So then they completely rip off that video, post it on their account, and boom, zero view jail again. Remember, there's no guarantee method to breaking out of zero view jail. You actually have to use the app actively and act like a real human. Most people do the wrong thing that digs them an even deeper hole. They keep re-uploading, hoping YouTube will finally push the video and you will break past this ceiling, but that doesn't work. People come to me asking for guidance, and they have been blindly spending weeks doing this, which wastes time. You could have been stacking views, growing your audience, or generating income with these things. The first thing we're going to talk about out of the only real solutions is using an aged account. So what is an aged account? So an aged account is an account you made years ago or months, but you actually used. Because if you made an account years ago but you didn't use it, this won't fix the issue. An aged account alone does not fix the issue. It actually has to have some past activity. So for example, this channel right here used to upload geometry dash videos. It had a few long form videos, but I unlisted them. And if I posted a short on here, it would most likely not get zero view jailed. And like I said earlier, if you have an aged account, the account still has to have history, data, and engagement. Because if you try uploading on an aged account that has no history at all, you're gonna have the same issue as if you created a new account and started posting. So let's say you don't have an aged account. You're gonna need to make a new one. What I would do to make a new one, I would only make a new one if your current channel is completely dead and is still getting zero views. And once you do make that new channel, do not start with spam uploading on it. That's just gonna make things worse. Instead, you're gonna want to warm up the account, and I'll show you every step you can do to effectively warm up your account. Because if you mess this step up, you don't just slow things down. You push monetization back 30 to 90 days. Most people are actually doing a lot of things right. They're posting, they're testing, and they're staying consistent. But there's one hole in the system. So all that effort and time they spend putting into their channel, it just leaks out. Nothing compounds, and they don't even realize why. What's wild is this is usually a simple fix. Fix it once, and this could be worth tens of thousands later on. I've done this myself. I used this exact process to fast track an account and get it monetized in 30 days. And it's the same thing I run every student through inside the inner circle to get them monetized as fast as possible. So now let me show you some steps that you can do today to warm up your YouTube account. And I'm going to be using an account I just made just for the purpose of this video. So first thing you're going to want to do is verify your account. Go to www.youtube.com/verify, okay? And once you're here, you're going to want to verify your channel with a number. And bonus points if you can do this with a US phone number. If you don't have access to a US phone number, that's completely fine. Just do it whatever phone number you have. But once you get this verified, this is going to be a lot easier for you to escape zero view jail. So after you verify your phone number, there's another verification you have to do to unlock the advanced features. And that is you're either going to have to send a video verification, a valid ID, or just build channel history over time. And trust me, verifying all of these will just make your entire experience of uploading YouTube Shorts a lot smoother. So get this done first and clear your mind. The next step to aging your account is, like I said earlier, don't post and ghost. YouTube favors accounts that actually use this app. So when you just make an account, you're gonna want to do these steps. You're gonna want to watch YouTube Shorts and normal YouTube videos like 2 hours a day. I know it sounds absurd, but if you do this for like 3 days in a row, this is going to make you escape zero view jail extremely quickly. And by the way, you're also going to want to like, comment, and subscribe to creators just to not seem like a bot. And bonus points is you're going to want to like videos and subscribe to creators who are in the niche you are planning to upload in. So let's say I wanted to upload in the ranking niche. I'm going to like this guy's video, I'm going to subscribe to him, and I'm just going to comment something crazy like, "Number 2 was so insane." All right. Boom, comment this, and then just keep scrolling and keep repeating the process. So you guys can see I'm already starting to get a lot of ranking videos in my For You page, which is awesome. So just act like a human, keep subscribing to these accounts who you are planning to be in the niche in, and just keep watching. Also, if you do find a video that's like a ranking video, don't just like and comment on it. You're also going to want to watch the whole video. All right, guys, so I only did this for about 10 minutes, and you can already see that most of my For You page is ranking videos, which is awesome. And you're going to want to do this for a few few hours every day, like I said earlier. I know it sounds crazy, but if you want to get out of zero view jail, you're gonna have to do this. And most people fail because they do this only for 5 or 10 minutes a day. And that's not enough. Or they just think it doesn't work, but that's not true. It works. You just need to do it for a few hours a day for 2 or 3, 4 days in a row, and boom, you'll be able to upload and you won't get in the zero view jail. You need real usage, not fake activity. So actually watch the videos through, the ones that are in your niche, or just watch random videos as well. You can like also watch long form videos. It doesn't matter. Just actually use the app. If YouTube doesn't see real behavior, it won't trust you. People make new spam accounts all the time, and people can't tell the difference between you and them. And no trust means no revenue. So here's just a few extra things we do to help speed up the process. And all these things actually help out a lot more than other people say. The first thing is upload one long form video with your face in it. I know it sounds a little bit scary. Oh, I'm going to upload my face. A lot of people are going to see me, all my friends. But no, it doesn't even matter. The video is probably going to get like 10 views. But what this does is makes YouTube think that you're not a bot and you're actually a human being who's uploading long form videos with your face in them. You can private it later, but keep it public for now.
Then you can see here on this exact channel, Animal Moments, we posted a video with...
Here's a guy, I'm going to link his channel in the description. Full credit goes to him. But he does YouTube Shorts channels and he owns a lot of accounts. But he had a problem where he was getting like 30 views or 500 views. And that's not normal because usually you're supposed to get that 30K view push. But what he did is he uploaded a long form video and boom, his videos started getting over 10,000 views consistently.
Then you can see here on this exact channel, Animal Moments, we posted a video with my face in it. I just did some random nonsense video of me ranking the most and least alpha animals. And you can see this was posted on January 15th. And since then on this channel, we've never had a single video drop under 1,000 views. You can see all the videos after this date, we never had any problem with a view glitch after that point.
So yeah, he said it, not even me. If you post a long form video with your face, it could be anything related to your niche and like just, it has to be like an actual normal video. YouTube is going to see you as a human being. And after you actually do that, you're basically not even going to get zero view jailed anymore. And you're going to start consistently getting thousands of views on your shorts just from that one small fix. Let me show you guys another trick. So here's an account that was getting zero view jailed. I deleted all the videos that were getting zero view jailed, but what I did is really simple to warm it up. So after you make a long form video with your face in it, you can start testing by posting random YouTube shorts that you just record on your shorts camera and posting it on YouTube Shorts app. And when I did this, these type of random videos got a couple thousand views. Like I literally just uploaded a random video where I'm walking around my neighborhood with some caption on it from my phone. Make sure you do it from your phone using the actual camera. You record it from here and you post it, and this will actually get pushed because it's like you're using their app and it's giving activity and usage on their app. So for now, refrain from posting on your computer. Try doing it from your phone. Trust me, this works. It usually does not get zero view jailed. All of these steps that I showed, uploading a long form video or uploading from your phone, make you look like a real human user. People skip the long form video part because it makes them feel uncomfortable. And they're not comfortable showing their face online. Then they sit there confused when other channels blow past them and make more money faster. They assume it's the content, so they tweak hooks, edit styles, posting times, and wondering why they are still stuck at zero view jail. Copying other viral formats, hoping something will work. But most of the time, the content isn't broken. The trust is. The channel foundation is broken. Until that's fixed, every upload is capped by YouTube. This is where doing it yourself quietly hurts. You're guessing what to post, when to post it, guessing when something should be unlisted or left alone, guessing when to take things down, and when to start posting real YouTube shorts. Each Ron call doesn't look dramatic, but stack enough of them, and you've burned weeks or months of monetization opportunity without realizing it. So follow this process, and it will definitely help you get past zero view jail a lot quicker. What I normally do with students is remove that guessing entirely. I give them the exact videos to post, tell them when to post, when to pull something down, and how to move through this phase as fast as possible. I've laid out the basics here in this video so that you can do it on your own. Just make sure to remove trial and error because that costs time, momentum, and usually the window where growth and monetization happen the fastest. So when you start posting shorts again after you age your account, here are a few things that might happen but are completely normal. Your first video might flop, but that's normal. It's usually going to get 1,000 through 30,000 views, but that's completely fine. You might get stuck into 30,000 view jail, but that's totally normal. Don't spam upload to get out of the 30,000 view jail. That's just going to make it worse. That's going to bring you back to the 0 view jail. In the settings, use hashtag shorts. Don't spam tags. A lot of people think SEO and tags and everything boosting the shorts is really good, but in reality, you don't need to do that. Just put hashtag shorts in your description. Also, make sure you select not made for kids. And don't schedule your shorts early on. When you're just starting uploading, just post them right away when you're finished editing them. If a YouTube short truly gets 0 views, don't upload for 2 to 3 whole days. This usually fixes the issue, then you'll be able to upload again and it won't get 0 view jailed. Also, when you keep uploading and you're consistently getting good views like 30,000 view jail or sometimes even a viral video, but then you randomly get a video that's 0 view jailed, usually you want to delete that video and run it through a metadata remover. Here's one that I use. It's called metadata2go.com/delete metadata. And if you go here, you'll be able to run that same file that got 0 view jailed, run it through here, and then you'll be able to re-upload it without flagging YouTube as spam. Because if you re-upload videos normally, YouTube will be like, oh, he's re-uploading the same videos over and over. That's spam content. We're going to get him demonetized. But if you run it through a metadata remover first, then re-upload it, it's actually not going to flag YouTube and you'll be able to get away with this. It's actually not going to flag YouTube, and this is a safe way to re-upload content safely. Just make sure to not abuse this and not to use this on videos that don't get 0 view jailed. Just do it on the ones that get 0 view jailed, delete them, then run them through this metadata remover, then re-upload it. If it still doesn't work, remember, take a short break, keep using their app, and try to re-upload a few days later. This is where most people quit and move onto a new channel or a new niche. Not because shorts don't work, but because they don't know what the signals mean and how to read the back end of YouTube. Here's the final reality check. Views coming in waves is normal. Sometimes the video starts off like this, then it gets a huge spike to 30,000 views, and then it flatlines. That's completely normal. Everyone goes through that. Hitting 30,000 view jail is actually a good sign. It means that your videos have potential and you're close to breaking out. You can see a lot of my videos actually do get 30,000 view jailed, but the ones with the highest potential actually end up getting pushed. The more times YouTube tests you in 30,000 view jail, the closer you are to breaking out. So if you're in 30,000 view jail currently, don't be discouraged. That means you're actually really close to going viral. Just keep uploading and staying consistent. So this last part is only for people who are actually serious about making money with YouTube Shorts this year. My channels keep making me money every month for one simple reason. The number of people watching YouTube Shorts keeps increasing. Screen time only goes up, and it's not slowing down, not now, or not anytime soon. So the real advantage here is speed. If you want to keep doing this solo, everything you need to start is already in this video. But understand, this is the phase where people lose the most time and the most money. The key with YouTube Shorts is getting your channel past 0 view jail and 30,000 view jail as fast as possible, so monetization can actually start compounding. Because once you break through that, 2 through 3 months from now is when people actually start stacking thousands per week. Most people don't lose because shorts don't work. They lose because they're guessing signals that they don't understand, and they're guessing the back-end rules of how YouTube actually works. So they hesitate. They test blindly. They re-upload. And while they are stuck, other channels pass them and start compounding with views and start earning real income instead. Inside the inner circle, I remove the guessing completely. I show you the exact same strategy I used to get my own account past 0 view jail and monetize it within its first 30 days. At this stage, you're not wondering what to post, when to post, or whether something is hurting your channel. You're following a process that gets accounts trusted and monetized as fast as possible. And once we're past that first stage, this is something I usually don't talk about publicly because it's only for people who are actually serious and usually have already booked a call to join the inner circle. The same editors who run one of my full channels, generating multiple 4 figures a month, edits your first 5 real YouTube shorts completely free in the niche we choose together. We post them to your channel, then replicate what works to get you monetized as fast as possible. The point is simple. Every extra week you stay stuck here isn't neutral. It's time and money you could have been compounding instead. So if you're serious about breaking out and not wasting another 30 to 90 days testing blindly while not monetized, the inner circle is the next step. There's a link below if you want to check it out. And by the way, if you haven't seen this already, I have an 80-minute full course video here on YouTube for absolutely free explaining how to start a YouTube channel start from finish. So if you haven't already, make sure to check it out, and peace out.